In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a contact sheet with your photographs. Each contact sheet will have 12 images on it. For photo shoot number 1, you have a total of 24 images. So you're going to have 2 different sheets when you're finished. Up top, you should have your name, photo shoot 1, and then a small divider line. Each of the pictures should have a file name underneath of it. So you should have your pictures renamed before you start this. So notice there's balance 1 through 4, and then bullseye 1 through 4, framing 1 through 4. And then we look at our next sheet, we have our other 3 guidelines. So make sure you have that part done first. We're now going to go over to output. In output, we have a number of things we're going to change over here. But first I want to look at my pictures. So my pictures are on my desktop if you look over here in favorites. And then I'm going to click on the folder for photo shoot 1. Here are all my individual pictures that have been renamed. We're going to start over on the right hand side. You're creating a PDF. It's going to be on US paper. That's important because then it'll be in inches. If you select international, it's going to be in millimeters. So it should be 8.5 wide by 11 inches tall, 300 pixels per inch. That's the default for US paper. For your layout, you will have 3 columns, 4 rows, and all of your spacing will be 1/4 of an inch. So margins around the edges of the paper and spacing between each picture. One thing you may need to uncheck is repeat 1 photo per page. If that's checked, it's going to take, for example, this picture and put 12 of them on a sheet. You don't want that, so make sure repeat 1 photo per page is unchecked. Okay, we're going to go down to overlays now. You are putting on the file name and extension. So if we look at the file, framing _2 here, if we don't click extension, it's not going to put the JPEG, and I want to see that. We're going to leave the font size default. The Arial 10-point black is good. Page number, you're going to change from none to placed on the footer, and you're going to leave that all as default. When you first do this, you're probably going to get a warning that says the footer is not active. You want to hit yes to make it active. In your header, you're going to add header text. You're going to type in your name, and then you're going to put in photo shoot number 1. Arial 10-point is fine. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to add a divider. That's that little skinny line right underneath of your name. So it says none to start with. Just make it a 1-pixel divider. This should already be activated because of the warning you got before. If you wanted to, you could add a watermark. So let's say, for example, these were prints you were making for a job and you want to put your company name over top. You could add a watermark in there. We're not going to do that for this assignment. What we are going to do is make sure you have View PDF saved, and when we have everything selected, we're going to actually save it. So I'm going to come over here and grab my photos. You can do that in a number of different ways. You can kind of drag across them. You can click the first one, hold shift down and grab the last one. And notice up here it says there are 24 items selected. Well, I can't see them on the page yet, so I'm going to go up to the top right and I'm going to hit refresh preview. Here's where we want to check, did we set everything up correctly? So I see I have 12 images on the page. I see the file number. I see page 1. I see my name and photo shoot number 1. It's only going to preview page 1 for you. So if you're happy with this, you can hit save. If you need to update anything with columns and rows, you can simply go over here and update that. So I'm going to hit save. And I'm going to put this right on my desktop in the photo shoot 1. So this will be, my name, photo shoot number 1. And this is saving as a PDF. Now we click that View PDF after save, so as soon as this does save, it should pop up for us. So there's our PDF. Everything looks good. You can go ahead and send this to the color printer. Please print this one-sided and turn that in with a rubric. Now the other thing that you want to do while you're in here, since you've done all this work to set things up, is to create a custom template. So in the top right next to the trash can, here's Save Template. So I'm going to put in, my name, and then hit Create. And next time when you come in, you're not going to have to set anything up over here. You'll just go and you'll find my name, and you'll just have to update what number photo shoot it was. That's it. Please talk to your teacher if you're having any additional problems.